Hi! For today, let's compare the important words in American Sign Language and Korean Sign Language. Let's start. First, the word sign. This is the sign for sign. In Korean, it's suwa. It's a little bit similar. This is thank you in American Sign Language. In Korean, it's like this. 감사합니다. Sorry in American Sign Language. In Korean, it's an F sign and the thank you. So sorry. So thank you. 감사합니다. And 미안해요. Or 죄송합니다. It's the same. Then please in ASL. So in Korean Sign Language, it's 제발. And then this is important if you're just a beginner, slowly. So when someone's signing very fast, you just say slowly. In Korean, it's 춘춘해. And one fun fact, this is the sign for word in both Korean and American Sign Language. It's dano in Korean. I hope you learn and enjoy our video today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.